Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A35, a sleek powerhouse phone, the Galaxy A35 features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of 1000 nits for stunning visuals. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, with options of 6GB, 8GB, or 12GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage. The camera setup is impressive, featuring a 50MP main sensor with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. The 13MP front camera ensures your selfies are always on point. The A35 doesn't just look good on the outside, it sounds great too, thanks to its stereo speakers. One of the most impressive features is the 5000 mAh battery, which supports 25W fast charging. Available in ice blue, lilac, and navy, the Samsung Galaxy A35 is as stylish as it is powerful, with a starting price of about 30,999 Indian rupees. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone that offers great features without breaking the bank, the Samsung Galaxy A35 might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.